I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by checking the model. Ensure clean topology and non-overlapping UVs, then set a texture size like 2048 x 2048 to preserve detail. Once done, switch into your paint workspace and pick the appropriate painting mode, texture paint for UV painting or projection for surface strokes, because the mode determines workflow. Next, add distinct layers for base color, roughness, and details, and set brush hardness and flow. These first actions stop you from repainting later and let you work non-destructive. Start by blocking in major colors and shapes on the base layer with large, soft brushes so you lock the silhouette and tonal values early. Then refine with masks and stencils to protect areas and create crisp edges. This matters when painting seams or decals, while using symmetry to mirror work across the model and save time. Once forms are set, switch to smaller brushes and separate decal or grime layers, using low opacity strokes and blend modes to build realistic surface variation without destroying your base. When you finish details, bake or export your maps, diffuse, normal, roughness, and apply them back to the material for a test render. This confirms how textures behave under lighting. Make final adjustments. Tweak levels, add subtle sharpened details, and merge layers into final files while keeping backups in case you need to revert. If you see seams or color mismatches, paint across UV borders with projection tools or sample nearby pixels and touch up. That quick projection fix usually solves seam artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.